Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken biryani. First, we're going to marinate our chicken. So start by adding biryani masala. Then add 2 spoonfuls yogurt. Then add ginger garlic paste. Also add some salt according to your taste. Then mix well all the ingredients. Also, I'm gonna add some Kashmiri chili to give it a nice color. We need to add some lemon juice and handful chopped mint and coriander leaves. Again, mix well all the ingredients, and we're gonna let it marinate our chicken for at least 2 hours. Afterwards, heat up your cooking pot and add some oil. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. Then add some raw spices. So I have cardamom, cinnamon stick, and fennel seeds. Add them into the pot. I already have some chopped onions, tomatoes, and some green chilies. So first add onion and green chilies into the pot. And saute them very well. Then add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. And some salt. Lastly, add the tomatoes into the mix as well. Cook all the ingredients. Now add some turmeric powder. And introduce your marinated chicken at this point. So we're gonna cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're only cooking it halfway through. While the chicken cooks, I'm gonna get our rice ready. So I have some raw spices first. I have cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, star anise, bay leaf, and fennel seeds. So add that into the water and add some salt as well. Once the water is boiling, add your rice and halfway cook the rice. Now let's take a look back at our chicken. So the chicken is halfway cooked. I've taken it out in a container, and we're gonna use the same pot and we'll be adding our rice into it. So we'll be adding chicken and rice layer by layer. So first start off with rice and then add some chicken. Then again, add another layer of rice. This time also add some ghee and mint leaves. So we're basically gonna repeat this process until all the rice and chicken is in the pot. So I'm almost done at this point. This is the last layer of chicken. Now after adding your last bit of rice, top it off with some chopped coriander leaves and raisins. So now we're gonna bake this part of rice and chicken. So bake at 350 Fahrenheit for half an hour. Once it's done, carefully remove the pot and you can serve it with some yogurt or raita. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please do try and let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you guys next time.